What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today I'm going to be doing chameleon cells on a 10 by 10. We have fluorescent orange, magenta, phthalo blue, cerulean blue, titanium white. No silicone in any of those. Those are mixed. 2 parts Artist Loft pouring medium to 1 part paint. This one is a titanium white also. Just going to be used to help the colors flow. What I'm going for is a nice gradient between the colors. I want to see some distinct lines, and then use those lines to kind of depict where I'm going to place the chameleon cells. So I have my 9-ounce cup here. I know I have too much paint, which is okay. We're just going to start layering them out. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm having a fantastic time over here in Phoenix. I almost said Detroit. Man, that's that old habit stuff. But no, I'm having a lovely time here. Everybody here has been just amazing. Let's get a pop of that really bright fluorescent orange in there. I'm going to end up with a lot of leftover paint, which is fine. I will use them in subsequent pours. I'm just going to alternate lights and darks, letting the white churn through the yellow, or not yellow, white churn through the other colors. So we create some pretty cool transparencies within it. I still don't have toothpicks, so I'm going to be using a ginormous crocheting needle or something. I think it's a crochet needle. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comments, but I think this is a crochet needle to create the cells. So we'll see. But first Friday was awesome. Got to meet up with a bunch of other artists. I only saw one person there doing acrylic pouring though. So maybe I'll try to reach out and do some stuff with them. I think that would be really cool to meet some of you guys down there. All right, so we got our cup layered. And I'm just going to be messy with it because there's no silicone at all, and I'm in my tub, so I might as well. And we're already seeing some of those really cool layers of transparency between, like it almost looks like I used a blood red color, but I didn't. It was fluorescent orange and the blue mixing together. All right, let me get some of my coconut milk hair serum. I know a lot of you have questions about what it is, so I'll try to put it on the screen. But that's what I'm talking about when I say coconut milk hair serum. It's just that little bit of stuff. And I just put a little bit in the bottom of this cup. How are we getting cells? Where were those bubbles? There shouldn't be any cells. Should just be bubbles. I'm trying to keep it on the center of the canvas. But yeah, look at those stripes. All right, so pop these bubbles. There we go. And then I really like this. Not so much. So let me see if I could. Let me put a little paint around the edge to try to help it slide. You know what, maybe I'll try to keep some of that phthalo blue on there. That was baby approved. All right, so a little gentle spin. Maybe I won't spin it. Maybe I'll try to lock that blue in place first. Well, we lost a lot of it. Shoot. The other half is not happy now. All right, so just a nice light spin. We do still have that color in here. That dark blue is still there, so. All right, now we're gonna take our cool little crocheting needle. This is probably gonna make giant cells, you guys, because I'm used to working with a really small point, and this is a very large point, so I don't know. We'll see. I almost kind of want to just follow this line right here because I like these transparencies of color. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is making the cells a lot larger than I'm used to. So I probably need to space them out just a little. But look at those colors though. Thank you. Yeah, we're getting that nice blood red color surrounded by that fluorescent orange, which is really cool. I don't know, I think I might like this crochet needle better than toothpicks, because it's not pushing all the way through. Because if it was getting to the point that it was pushing all the way through to the canvas because there was so much silicone, then that'd be bad. Like on the corner here, it's going to naturally look that way. But as long as it's not doing it across the center. But look at those oranges and those deep reds and magentas and the cyan. Or not cyan, but what is that blue called? Oh my goodness. Cerulean blue. Had a brain thing. Yep. It's because these colors look too cool right now. I can't even think. But how is everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Just over here painting my heart out for you guys. All right, let's see. Little spots maybe. Because I like how when they push together it create that lighter outline. I like it when they start hitting each other, they start creating that outline because of the very light skin of white that is over the top right now. It just pushes it, which is cool. Yeah, this is beautiful. Wow. I really like this. We're gonna see what happens down here. Might need a couple spots here and there just to help it along. This probably just needs a little touch. Give it a little touch here, here, and there. That's amazing, I love it. Really love the colors right in there. Those are so gorgeous. Really, really pretty. And then how that bright line is going across around each cell. And you can see where they kind of butt up against each other, it gets like super thin, but then you can still tell that white is there. I love that. All right, I'm gonna stop geeking out and probably bring you guys down so we can check it out. All right, so these are those colors together. Some of these blues are just really hyper brilliant. I can't wait for this to completely dry. I really love playing with these light featherings of transparencies with the stark lines underneath. And then the beautiful chameleon cells going across the center. So this is how it dried. We got that same weird bevel where the paints were thicker, and I think that is why it does it, because the edges are drying so quickly. And then this doesn't have anywhere to run off, so I think that's what's happening, but these cells though, look at all the tiny little details in them. The cells did grow a lot larger than I thought they would, and that might also be a product of the humidity and temperature here. I love it though. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.